My tomato plant is looking really good. And my peppers, they're growing nicely, looking good. My squash pumpkin is doing its thing. They're growing. The colors are just starting, but looking good. I'm gonna repot them. They're really growing. I can't get enough of my fresh purple basil. Yum, yum, yum. Mmm. These pineapple are looking good, but let me show you the ones that are yielding. And now, got some pineapple growing. It's looking beautiful. Getting ready to eat that soon. These peppers right here looking yummity yum yum. Yielding soon. And harvesting almonds from this almond tree right here. These are ready to eat. Got a bag of them right there. Got another bag right here. Ready to open them up and get the seed out and get the nut out and eat that. Almond harvesting. And see craboo, the yellow little berries, they're falling to the ground. We've been harvesting and eating those. Yeah, so that's this tree right here. Lots of craboo over here to eat also. Got some chaya leaves right here. These are good. Something like spinach. That's good. Been eating those. Lots more things going on that table, but I'm tired now. Talk to you later. Bye.